In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send invoices on PayPal Business. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up and send a professional invoice to your customers, step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your PayPal Business account in your browser. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your PayPal Business dashboard. This is your main control center, where you can see recent activity, balances, and shortcuts to common tools. From this dashboard, look for the quick access section. In that area, you should see an option labeled Invoicing. Go ahead and click on Invoicing. This will take you to the section where you can manage all of your existing invoices and create new ones. On the invoicing page, find the option that says Create New. This is usually near the top or in a clearly visible button. Click on Create New to start setting up a fresh invoice. When you do that, PayPal may give you different document types to choose from. Here, you want to click on Invoice. That tells PayPal you're creating a standard invoice that you'll send to a customer for payment. Now you'll see the invoice editor. At the top, there's a field for the customer's name. Click into the customer name field and start typing the customer's name or email address. If you've invoiced this person before, PayPal might suggest them automatically. If it's a new customer, just type in their details so PayPal knows who to send it to. Next, move down to the line item section. This is where you specify what you're charging for. Click into the line item name and add a clear name for the product or service, such as web design package or consulting session. This helps your customer quickly understand what the invoice is for. Right next to that, you'll see the price per unit. Click into the price per unit field and enter the amount you're charging for each item or each hour, depending on how you bill. Make sure the currency and the number are correct before moving on. You'll also see a description field. This part is optional, but it's very useful. Click into the description area and add any extra details that clarify what's included, such as dates, scope of work, or special terms. More clarity here can reduce back and forth questions later. Below that, there's a notes field. Again, this is optional, but it's a good place for a short friendly note, a thank you message, or a brief reminder about payment terms or deadlines. Click into the notes field and type anything you want your customer to see at the bottom of the invoice. Once you've reviewed everything on the invoice, customer, items, prices, and any descriptions or notes, you're ready to send it. Look for the Send button, usually at the bottom or top right of the page. Click on Send, and PayPal will deliver the invoice to your customer, typically by email, and they'll be able to pay you directly through PayPal.